Today I'm going to be unboxing the Ride-On Premium Screen Protector, and I'm also going to be placing it on my phone. So I'm going to show you guys how to install it. Okay, so it comes with everything we need. It also comes with instructions. Okay, our cleaning pads. But most importantly, our screen protectors. And we also have the lens protector. That's why I got this specific one, because it does have both. It has the lens and it also has the front screen protector. And just so you guys know, it does come with 2 each. So if you and your significant other have matching iPhones, you guys are going to be good to go and you could place them on there. I have an iPhone 12 Pro and this is what I bought it for. So I'm going to be opening up the screen protector accessories right now. So we have our wet wipes here. We have our dust collector stickers. It looks like it's a set of 3, so you have 6 total. And then you also have 3 wet wipes, and then you have your cloth. I have my iPhone 12 Pro here, and the first thing you're going to want to do is turn it off. The first step is we're going to open up the screen protector wet wipes. And then we're just going to go ahead and clean the screen. These are alcohol wet wipes, so what we want to do is clean it off, and we have to make sure it completely dries before we even think about putting this screen protector on. Okay, so we're going to use the cloth provided to make it nice and dry. Same thing with the lenses. So you want to make sure you don't leave any fingerprints on it, because once you put the protector on there and there's a fingerprint there, it's going to stay there until you take it off. Now you want to grab the dust collector, and we're just going to grab one of them. And then you're just going to go like so until you remove all the dust, any lint or anything that you have on there. Same thing with the lens. Okay, we have our protective screen here. We are going to remove this, and the sticky side is going to go on our LCD screen. And you want to make note of the hole right here. You're supposed to line it up with the hole of the phone, okay? So I'm going to try to make this as perfect as possible here. Okay, just like so, and you can see it. It's anti-bubble, so all the bubbles, there should be no bubbles inside, and just like that. Okay, you just want to push from the inside to the outside just in case there are any bubbles. And just like that. Okay. Alright, so there you have the front side. I did want to mention that it's tempered glass, so if anything does happen to the screen, all you have to do is peel it off. Like, it could crack and you just peel the front portion off and your phone should be good to go. So the tempered glass protects your screen. I definitely recommend it, especially these phones are very expensive, so you don't want to be without one of these protectors. It's also clear anti-scratch, so you're not going to be able to scratch this. This is my personal phone, so I don't want to scratch it, but it does advertise that it's anti-scratch. And it's also anti-fingerprint. And it's anti-sweat, so it's anti-everything apparently. So it is going to be, to a certain extent, waterproof, as long as it doesn't creep through the crack. So if you get a drop or sweat right on here, it's going to be waterproof. It's going to be okay. So let's go to the back side of it. Okay, so now it's time to put our lens protector on. So we already cleaned it with the alcohol pad, we dried it off with the cloth, We also did the dust collector and with the sticker and just got everything off. So now we are ready to go. All we have to do is remove this. And on the inside it's going to be sticky, so try not to touch the inside at all. And it's going to be the same thing. We're just going to align everything up. And I did want to make note that this hole, it is a perfect hole. Everything else is covered up with glass besides this hole over here. So this hole and this hole, it's actually holes. These three holes right here, it's actually glass. So it's going to be scratch proof. The reason why there's holes here and here is because you do have the flash, right? So the flash, if there was glass there, the flash, every time you would take a picture at night, everything would just look so bright and it would not look good. Okay, so what we want to do is align it. Okay, so lined it pretty good. Now I'm just pushing down with the cloth just to make sure the sticky side sets in. And for anybody that's wondering, you can still put a case in here and it fits just like that. So the tempered glass that we just put on there does not bother the case at all. So you can place a case in. You guys could see on both sides. So you can use a case with the screen protector.